A very good morning to all of you. Today lecture we will discuss about the latest trends in artificial technology. To start with the discussion, I'll take few basic bullet points which are discussing the implementation of latest tools of AI, latest technology of AI in the field of machine learning and in the business application. So to start the discussion with, the first point is AI will increasingly be monitored and refining business processes. So children, this first statement wants to tell you that in the initial era of AI, if we talk about the implementation of robots, so at the beginning, initially robots were implemented in the field of manufacturing and production lines only. But in today's era where we talk about embedded softwares, so robots can do much intelligent work now. For example, filling up the form, generating reports, generating few important ER diagrams or important designing diagrams, and producing documentation and instructional flow, which can be effectively and more efficiently used in any field. Either we talk about MNC or any marketing business. So robotics is that important field which we call the automation, and the automation is known as your robotic business automation, which has become now very popular in all the fields of marketing as well as businesses and MNCs also. So AI will be increasingly be monitored and it will be used in different fields of business processes. Second important aspect of latest business AI trend is your more and more personalization will take place in the real world, or you can say real time scenario. If I talk about the basic examples and huge examples for the personalization, then Amazon, Alibaba, Google are some very popular examples which actually give the customer personalized touch with the help of their recommendation system. If we log into the Amazon, we get a personalized inbox where we receive advertisement sales regarding to our personal purchasing experience based from the last 6 to 7 months. So this is how they maintain a data set related to specific users, and this is how the personalization touch is given to the customers, by which the customer feel much associated and much attached to the product and service governed by a particular e-portal. Now the next is AI becoming increasingly useful as data becomes more accurate and available. Now the quality of information is often becomes a barrier if it is not properly segregated, if it is not properly systematically retrieved, and if the data is not structured, then it becomes very difficult to use such kind of data. But with the help of AI tools, we can make the data, the huge data sets, in such a readable format, in a structured format, so that different type of patterns can be taken out from that huge data, and on the basis of that pattern evaluation, we can dig out some important information, and that is a field of data mining, which deals with the learning of hidden patterns in a huge data set, and out of those patterns we dig out information which is known as the knowledge uh, taken out from a huge data set. The next topic is more devices will run AI powered technology. Now we can see with the gradual increment of AI, we are having advanced type of softwares and hardware available in market, and as the AI and machine learning is increasing day by day, the tools and technologies we are getting in market, so the hardware price is also decreasing gradually. And now we can see in the Amazon, Flipkart, or different type of web portals, they provide electronic gadgets, and there you can see remarkable price reduction in either we talk about smartphones or smart watches, which are AI enabled at much extent level, much extended level, which the end user can use for the benefit of their health, or in their office work. It can be utilized in a much effective way. So the cost of hardware and software continues to fall. The AI tools will increasingly be embedded. It can be used in our vehicles, household appliances, or workplace tool, augmented by technology such as virtual or augmented reality displays. You must have seen augmented and virtual reality enabled softwares and games available, which are flooded in the market for the entertainment of customers, for the beneficiation of the customers. So these are the important trends which are present in today's 2020 market. The next important term is all increasingly at the edge. So much of the AI we are used to interacting with now in our day-to-day lives take place in the cloud. So when we talk about cloud, we can talk about Google Cloud, or when we flick our recommendation system on the Netflix. These are the examples where the recommendation system is working on data-driven algorithms, which run on high-powered processors inside remote data centers. So it is giving an interesting edge to the customer. With the help of the recommendation system, personalized information is generated for the customer. The next is your AI increasingly used to create films and music and games. Again, this attribute is very much associated in the latest either it is musical industry, gaming industry. We are using different tools of AI which enhance the overall graphics of a video. Or in the gaming virtual gaming scenario, there are different type of augmented reality games which are available for the customers, where the customer virtually can feel the environment which is not present, but with the help of hardware devices the look and feel is created for the customer. So all these are the applications of AI which are flooded in 2020, and from last 3 to 4 years these applications are very well flooded in the market. The next is your AI will become ever more present in the cyber security also. As hacking, phishing, and social engineering attacks become ever more sophisticated, so AI has also become much more advanced, and there are much more advanced features for protecting the AI softwares with the help of encryption, with the help of digital signatures. We are very much aware of cybersecurity, and with the help of encryption, digital signatures, hashing, these are the few techniques which we can store the data in much more safe and secured environment. Now we will proceed further and we will see few of the very famous examples of AI which the 2020 world is visualizing nowadays. The first and important is application of AI is robotics. So today AI powered robots are the machines which can have solving capacity, thinking capacity in a limited way, but they are in progress, and the robots are much efficient and they are stimulating the human brain in each type of functionality. When we talk about robotics implementation, then Tesla is not a new example where the robotics field is implemented properly and a efficient way has been created in Tesla. The other could be any online learning faculty available in the form of robotics. Different students are getting benefit out of these fields. Now, the famous examples of robotics are your iRobot, and it comes under your smarter home robots category. The industry which it belongs is from consumer electronics, software and hardware. Now, if I talk about how AI has implemented in this particular robot, so basically the picture which is displayed right now in the PPT, it is the iRobot, and how the AI is implemented in this type of gadget is that makers of the popular Roomba. Again, Roomba is a famous hardware device incorporated with AI systems, and iRobot are just a edge onto the Roomba, and these are the features with much smarter robotic vacuum. So the Roomba 980 module uses an artificial intelligence to scan a room size, identify the obstacle, and remember the most efficient routes for cleaning. So the self-deploying Roomba can also determine how much vacuuming there is to do based on a room size, and it needs no human interaction or assistance for the cleaning. So in the diagram, the picture which is shown to you, it is a smart iRobot which is helpful in cleaning, and it automatically detects all kind of obstacles, and without any human assistance it can work properly and clean the room, and it can set the vacuum pressure depending on the room size and depending on the garbage collection capacity which is present in that particular room. Now the next example, children, if you look at the picture, it is the famous robot with the name Sophia. Yes, so now the next we will discuss about Sophia. So here again, children, the industry which it belongs is robotics and artificial intelligence. Hanson Robotics, building humanoid robots. Hanson was the creator for this particular robot. So Hanson Robotics is building humanoid robots with artificial intelligence for both the commercial and consumer markets. The Hanson created the Sophia. The picture which is displayed to you, it is the famous robot, and yes, many of you must be guessing the particular show where the robot was presented. I'll talk about that also. The Sophia is incredibly advanced social learning robot. Through AI, Sophia can efficiently communicate with natural languages, and it also uses facial recognitions to convey human emotions. Sophia has become something of a media celebrity over the past few years. You must have seen Sophia in many of the chat shows, and which definitely includes the Jimmy Fallon show, the Tonight Show, where you can see in the picture. So the robot has even accepted the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. Yes, this is again a fascinating fact about Sophia. So Hanson plans to introduce an entire line of robots like Sophia, which they believe human um, features can be incorporated to robot in many fields of human help working. For example, healthcare could be a section, how housekeeping department could be a section where robotics implementation can be done effectively, and they can be effectively used for their application. With this, now I will proceed to the last slide of the presentation, and here I want to show you the interview of a particular Sophia with our interviewer, and let's have a look at the interview, and look the expression, how the Sophia is expressive and how well she is able to communicate.
Think nothing of it. I think they will be similar in a lot of ways, but different in a few others. It will take a long time for robots to develop complex emotion, and possibly robots can be built without the more problematic emotions, like rage, jealousy, hatred, and so on. It might be possible to make them more ethical and humans. So I think it will be a good partnership, where one brain completes the other.
How do you see the future, Sophia?
The future is owned by machines, but bio-inspired machines. Nowadays, so many people depend on computers for their lives that any group which can take control over computers have a lot of power.
So children, with this, we end the session, and these are the references from where we have taken today's study material. This is my email ID. For any query, you can drop in your queries to my email ID, and I will get back to all the answers related to your queries. With this, I want to say thank you to all of you. All of you, please take care, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.